Hey guys, this time I'm gonna show you these beautiful Tare digital scales. As you can see, they have a minimalistic design, nothing extra, nothing distracting, pretty large display here. This is a view from the bottom. This is the side view, pretty thin. These scales are battery powered. You will need just two small batteries. These scales will turn on automatically as soon as you step on them. When you step out, they will also turn off automatically. A pretty useful thing to control your weight. You can do it daily, and this scale will serve you for a long time. I personally used them for a couple of years and still going strong. I can recommend them. Thank you for watching.